I'm in a secret location. If the marketing gods knew, yeah, you could laugh, but I've generated 8 figures. And if you might want to stick around, if you want to be not sick and tired of not being able to generate revenue, I know what it is to have a $60,000 day. And I say it not to brag, but to make you understand. This is not a typical video. There's no smoke and mirrors. I'm going to tell you the truth, and hit the bell, sub, and like now. Do it for me. If you don't get value from the video, then undo it all. But you may forget before you leave. So as a prepayment, just hit it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So I'm going to tell you a couple things. Using artificial intelligence, there's a lot of scams out there. And if you don't want to get scammed, you're going to want to pay attention to these two top things when you're trying to use AI to make money with your affiliate marketing business. Number one, the AI is not your brain. I'm going to say this again because maybe you have a small little brain or a small little something else. Anyway, I want you to understand this. If you don't know the nuances, if you can't give the AI the correct instructions, you are going to be a loser because it does not understand all the nuances that pertain to sales and marketing or your situation unless you paint a picture of exactly what you want it to do. So here's a quick example. Let's say you're selling a blindfold. And you're selling a blindfold because you want to make money. Okay, now seriously, let's say you're selling a blindfold. So you talk to the AI. I like to use X. Even though I don't really use it for any kind of sales and marketing, I do use it to bounce ideas off of and to expand on ideas that I already have to see if it comes up with anything like a brainstorming session that's better or adds to what I already had. But for most of you that are clueless and quite frankly a little bit on the slow side watching this in terms of your sales and marketing, here's what I want you to do. I want to sell a blindfold. I want to make the sales pitch short and sweet. I want it to be convincing, but I don't want to be overly polite. Instead, I want to state what the problem is, why they need the blindfold, why it's better than any other blindfold that they're ever going to find out there, and why they need to act now and not wait and act whenever they feel like acting. Because you need to learn another thing here today. Number two, you need to add urgency, because even if you have something that is extremely valuable, most people will drag their feet unless they're physically on fire and need the water immediately, and they need to push the button to let the fire basically put the fire out so they don't end up in the burn unit. You need to add urgency. Usually that's a price sensitivity, a scarcity point. Everyone does it. Any major retailer that's worth anything, from a Best Buy to a Cracker Barrel, a restaurant, to you name it. I mean, anything you could think of, they know how to add urgency. Any franchise does. McDonald's, doesn't matter if it's Burger King, doesn't matter if it's Subway. If you don't add urgency and have the right nuances in place, you will fail. And it's really as simple as that in terms of having infrastructure within your sales and marketing presentation, infrastructure. So, nuance with AI and add the scarcity part if the AI does not do it for you. You cannot just say, I want to sell a blindfold. How do I do it? Write me a sales script and expect the AI to give you the best result. It's not going to happen. Don't be a dingling. Happy marketing. Sub, like, comment. See you soon.